when the battery is upgrading its firmware, an update interruption or erroneous operation occurs, causing the BMS LCD data to be 0 and the LED light to become a running light. The update was interrupted during the BMS update, causing the BMS to become rooted. Wait for the BMS to automatically shut down, then restart it. Open BMSstudio to update the battery firmware. Update completed. At this point, the battery pack has returned to normal. The external switch function of BMS is turned on by mistake. The external switch function of the BMS is turned on, causing the BMS to turn on and then off. Connect a DC power supply to the battery's P+ and P terminals. Set the DC power supply voltage to 51.2V and the current to 1A to activate the BMS. Connect the BMSstudio to the BMS using an RS485 adapter and turn on the BMS's external switch. At this moment, the battery pack has returned to normal. Open the Bluetooth BMS app on your phone. Find the low temperature protection setting. Check disable or increase the protection threshold. Temporary emergency plan with risks. Replace the entire sampling PCB.